Last month, a robotics client came to us with a problem. Their stainless steel shafts from another supplier kept bending during assembly. We re-engineered the design and used CNC turning with tighter process control. Our machines hit a 0.03 mm tolerance and improved surface finish to raw 0.8 m. Within 2 weeks, we delivered 500 shafts, all passed their stress tests. At Yangchi, we don't just turn parts, we solve problems. Visit www.yangchiprecnc.com and learn more about us.